coming out and just entertaining us and enjoying it, and you just did that, and I would absolutely love to work with you. I think you're amazing. I think we can have so much fun together.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Kean.
First of all, I'm delighted everybody turned around for you. Number one, I know how hard you've worked. You know, you had your girl band for a while.
Yeah.
You know, you did the musicals. You've got your band now. I know what this means to you. So I know it's taken a hell of a lot of guts probably for you to come here. And I'm delighted for you. And if you don't pick me, that's understandable. Wow!
That's
Trying
never
to get
happened.
the man a
Sorry.
towel after that one.
Okay. Let's get poor Rachel a towel. Woo. Sorry, there's a call going around the same decision. That came out of nowhere, I'm sorry. I don't want to...
Anyways, I could go on and on for ages, guys.